Carbon Arc are on a mission to improve your training outcomes. And one of the ways we're going to do that is to do a monthly draw where we will give away 4 hours of our time to give a one-to-one training session just for you. The way this works is very simple. In this video for April, drop you a comment below, and then at the end of the month, so April the 29th, 2024, we'll do a draw, and that draw will basically just be everybody's name goes onto a spinning wheel, and whoever wins will get in contact and we'll arrange the 4-hour training time whenever it's most convenient for both you and us. We can do that during the day or during weekday evenings. It could be the weekends. We'll see what we can get arranged. So with that, what you waiting for? Get your comments below, and maybe we'll see you soon in one of our training sessions.